Hello, Aleksandar.
Hello.
Can you please show us your Python scripts?
This is my Python script. First, what we do is we import the TKinter module, and by this star we import all the files from TKinter.
Yes.
This is our main function that we have called down here.
Okay.
These are all the options that we use to make the graphic user interface.
Okay, can you tell me what does one of these commands do?
Yes. These are the same. We need 3 of them, so
yes.
These 3 are the same, but we need 3 of them, so we have written 3 lines, and you can see by the grid option here, their position is different. I can show you the app right here.
Sure. What is it you're doing here? What is this? What is this editor?
This is the terminal that we use to open Python applications. And like this, we open this one. We just write the name of the script that we're writing. So this will be more visually easier to explain.
Okay.
This is the text one that we have right here. As you can see, this is row 0 and row 1. Row 1 column 0, row 1 column 1, and so on. These are just texts that are not interactive. We get the information by the upper functions. Now we have the label. The label is just a text that's printed out, and you have no interaction with it. It gives no information back. It just stays like that. Yeah, it's used to explain what the other things are. Now we have the entry, it's called. We have it connected with string variable, and the position is row 0 column 1. The string variable gives information in string, so we have to change it into float data type, so we can use math calculations to exchange the data type.
Okay. What does this app do? Like, can you show us what you do with this app?
Yes, this app we input kilograms, and it prints out pounds, grams, pounds, and ounces.
Okay.
We can make it more user-friendly,
Yes.
and we can add more labels. So we can say, for example, these are grams, these are ounces and pounds. No.
And can you make another layout for this desktop application? Like, is it very difficult to lay out the text fields differently?
No, it's very easy. I can show you right here. For example, we can just copy this label, and we're just gonna change few. We're gonna have to rename it. For example, let's say F1, and here F1. The text will say like grams, and the position will be row 1 column 0, and then we're gonna have to change this position to row 1 column 1, and we're gonna copy and do the same thing for the other texts. And what this does is it just prints out non-interactable text in front of the text boxes.
Okay.
We're just gonna change the position of this one, and this will this, and third text, and this will be ounces. The position will be row 3 column 0 and row 3 column 1. So we can check it right now. And this is what we get.
Wow, it it looks different. Why does this look different from the other?
It's more user friendly, and you can understand what are the what is the information and data you're getting. For example, 10 kilograms is 10,000 grams, 22 pounds, and 355 ounces.
Wow.
You understand this application more.
Wow, but it looked very simple to change this. How do you make it that the text boxes are below each other? What was the change you did to achieve that?
Well, every row is like, this is first row, this is second row, but the counting starts from 0.
Oh, so you put that into different rows?
Yes, in the grid pattern is, you can search the grid pattern for this graphic user interface on internet, and you will see the counting starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 for every column and row. So you understand this is row 0, 1, 2, and 3, like here. Row 3 is ounces, and here you go. The columns are, this is column 0. I will show you right here. This is the first label. This is row 0 and column 0, as you can see here. And now,
okay, so it's a grid system.
Yes.
We give coordinates in the grid system. Okay. Yeah.